Would you like us to have an opportunity to sell your home on every showing? Well, that's great. This is why we do all this. Our process is virtually seamless. It's to provide any buyer representing agent the most amount of information, the ability to answer any and all questions to their client, and cooperate with us easily. So the objective is to produce quality offers based on everything they, which I mean the clients, know up front, rather than submitting an offer based on what they think they might find out. Now, what does this do? I can prove over the last 1,000 sales that we get 3% over market value, and we can do that in 30% less time. Essentially, this is reducing the total commission because I'm making you more money. I'm eliminating any additional mortgage payments and bills that you might have occurred by it taking any bit longer, and provide you with everything you didn't know you needed on everything we spoke about above. Now, digitally forced, unfiltered feedback from anybody that shows the house is going to be very important. They're going to give us feedback on the price, the condition, any suggestions they might have. And to get that information to you, you get weekly phone calls, texts, emails, updates, and immediate access to any comparable homes that come on and off the market to keep you up to date with any of the competition. Now, what's most important here is we actually were very, very fortunate to buy the vanity website of MLSlisting.net. It's the easiest searchable website currently in our local market. I'll give you another bonus before I thank you for your time. There are always more options on your house. Hey, I want a cash offer. Hey, I want to renovate my house. Hey, I want suggestions just to see how much my house might be worth. I provide all of those. I've been an investor my entire career in real estate, and I still continue to invest in real estate. I believe in what we do. Now, I can always give you options on, hey, let's renovate the house and get the top of the market. What is it worth right now if we do nothing? And if an investor were to submit an offer on the house, what does that offer look like? I have an entirely comprehensive Excel sheet that I've worked on my entire career to give you exact figures and exact numbers on what might be worth a renovation, what might not be, and what's worth our time.